Hello once again, dudes, mine's Mill, and welcome to another tutorial on operating systems. In this tutorial we're going to start learning how to make our own commands. So the things you'll need to have opened is Notepad++ and the command prompt, and my computer. So inside here we'll need to click on the disk where you have stored all your files. Now mine is D, yours will probably see. Inside here we have a folder called Windows. Open that, and don't touch anything that don't tell you to touch. Now we have a folder called System32. Now open this. Now inside here lies all the commands for your command prompt and a lot of system files. If you touch this folder in generally, your computer will be fucked. So don't touch anything that I don't tell you to touch. So now we know the road inside here. This is mine, you should probably see ahead of it. But this is how it should basically look. So what we'll need to do now is to open Notepad++ and create a new batch file or a command. Now, of course, this command only works on this computer and not on anyone else's. So if you want them to work on their computer, you'll need to have the command follow them, kinda. So we'll need to put it in System32, if I can find it. There it is. Right, and here we'll just need to save it as I'm going to call this programming um, programming languages. Alright, .bat, that's very important to add the extension of .bat cause it's a batch file. Or you can just find it here, .bat cmd nt. So save it as .bat in System32 as programming languages. So now we're in the first step of creating your own command. So let's go ahead and go into our direct hard drive here and scroll down. So I'm just going to, yeah, alright, that's fine. So we're going to start coding this command now. Now what this command is a similar command that I'm going to be making when we're typing programming languages. Right now nothing shows up, but it still calls the command. We can see that because it shows up quickly. So every time you're using a command, it will come up quickly. I'm just going, yeah, echo is on, that's fine. I'm going to clear it. So in order to use this command, we'll need to put echo off, so we don't see this crap up here. And the title, I'm going to be command prompt, and don't, I know prompt is a function in here because you can create a I haven't showed you that, but yeah, that's another tutorial. I'm going to show you what that command does. But right now, let's go ahead and type in command prompt programming language database. Now you can name the file whatever you want, and remember the file name you give it is the command's name. You don't need to type in like this when we call it. We'll need to no, we don't need to add the extension of BAT, just programming languages. But you'll need to type in the whole name. So if you want, you can give it another name. But I'm just going to call it programming languages so I can easily find it and delete it again after the tutorial. But then we'll need to create a function. A function starts by adding semicolons and then we'll give it a name. I'm going to call this list. Now let's use the echo command to print out some text. So I'm going to make a list saying not one, that's not appropriate. I'm just going to type in yeah, I'm going to be using one Java, and I'm just going to type in some random ones. JavaScript, for instance, for as a further PHP, XHTML, HTML5, CSS. You can of course set this up how you like it. I don't wanna go ahead and tell you guys how to do it. I'm just going to add a few more languages, so it looks nice. And yeah, see. Actually, I wanna add just a little bit more information. And by the way, if you add echo and just a dot, it will make a space. But I don't wanna ruin this text in the command prompt, cause it's kinda long. So basically, here I'm going to be typing in language and create space saying type here. And here I wanna create a space or something like that, and then a space, right? So let's add like 10 of them saying Python, and you don't need to know what all these languages do, you just need to type them in, sorry. Basically it doesn't really matter. See if I can find another language. C. Yeah. Alright, so if we go ahead and save this now up here and call this, it will be saying language type. So we should probably go ahead and see if can we make this a little bit longer and save and try again. Yeah, that's better. So right now we have a nice little, this is the command we've made that we called, it's saying language and type over here. So we're going to be working more on this in the next tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.